Let's talk about subject verb agreement. It means कि कौन से helping verb किस subject के साथ agree करते हैं. As you can see, am, is, are ये present form है verb be की. Am is used only with the pronoun I. Is used with the pronoun he, she, it, and any singular noun like a boy, my cat. And are is used with the plural subjects like you, we, they, and plural nouns like boys and cats. And the examples of affirmative sentences are मैं खत लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing a letter. वो खत लिख रहा है. He is writing a letter. तुम खत लिख रहे हो. You are writing a letter. Next comes negative sentences and the examples are मैं बाजार नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I am not going to बाजार. हम नहीं उछल रहे हैं. We are not jumping. तुम मेरा वक्त ज़ाया नहीं कर रहे हो. You are not wasting my time. वो गाना नहीं गा रहा है. He is not singing a song. बारिश नहीं हो रही है. It is not raining. Now the method and examples of interrogative sentences are interrogative sentences में as I have told you helping verb come in front of the sentence is am are, then subject, first verb ing, object and question mark at the end. The examples are क्या मैं खत लिख रहा हूँ. Am I writing a letter? क्या तुम खत लिख रहे हो. Are you writing a letter? And the interrogative plus negative sentences method and examples are कैसे sentences जो सवालिया भी हों और मनफी भी हों उनका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. is, am, are helping verb फिक्रे के शुरू में ही आएंगे with subject and plus note plus first verb ing plus object and question mark at the end. Like the examples क्या मैं खत नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. Am I not writing a letter? क्या तुम खत नहीं लिख रहे हो. Are you not writing a letter? Okay, that's all what we have to discuss today. I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.